Hello everybody, today in this video I will be showing you how to make a Fortnite montage because I've made 3 montages and I want to show you guys how I actually make these videos. Let's get started with actually going into the first app you need to download. You actually need to download the Clutch app. It's a purple app, you download it, it's free, it's blah blah blah, it's free. Again, it's free, so what else do you want? The thing with this app is that you put in your information from your Xbox. You could add your PS4, PC, mobile stuff, whatever. Then it gets those clips from that console, mobile device, computer. Then it's right there. See those clips? They're from my Xbox. You pick any clip or you pick any clips. You pick multiple clips. You can actually pick one clip at a time only, so it is a little bit slow, but it's worth it. The next thing is you gotta wait. Preparing your clip takes a while. You gotta be patient on this, okay? It's annoying, but you'll get through it. Next up, when is it gonna happen? Okay, trim your clip. This is the trimming of I guess the length of your video. I know what it is. You can trim if you want it to show all the way from the end. And that's it. Then you can change the speed of the video if you want it to go twice as fast, twice as slow. But yeah, I'm gonna reset it, and there you go. And right there you can actually put your face cam. That's me just looking at my own video. Sorry. Yeah, this is voice overlay. You can actually title your clip. You can share it on Twitter, blah blah blah. I don't care. You could share it with your contacts, blah blah blah. This is Clutch. Okay? This is not what we're here for though. You guys want to know how to make a montage. First, or the next stuff, is you actually have to save it to your camera roll. When's it gonna happen? Come on. Should say something like save to the camera roll or video. Yep, dismiss. Then you want to get out of that app. Next thing, you want to go into iMovie. If you somewhat deleted it, it's on every iPhone. Don't delete this. It's a good thing. You add a movie. Hold on. You add a movie. Why did I do this? There we go. You add a movie right there. You pick your clip right there. You add it. Then you can adjust and you can edit your video right there. I don't know why I'm saying right there a lot. But yeah, next up, you guys want to know how to make a thumbnail. You could use photo, but I realized there's a better way. There's a really better way. I did the tutorial back then, a little while ago, of making how to make a thumbnail. I thought photo was the best way. No, pick collages. The best app to make collages. It's a good thumbnail editor thing. Blah blah blah. You put in any picture. This is gonna be one of my thumbnails, legitly. Not for this video. I'm gonna wait a while. I'm gonna first make a thumbnail. You take it there. You add it. You go into YouTube Studio. You have to download YouTube Studio. Everything's free, what I'm saying. Then you upload the video right here. And I did stream 3 hours ago. Why did nobody watch me? I don't know, because I'm not famous. Yeah. Once that video is uploaded, you click any video. You edit. You click the pencil at the top. You edit thumbnail. Then you click one of these. Those are some of my thumbnails that I need to put. There you go. And save changes. And there you have made a Fortnite montage. Or not specifically Fortnite, but yeah.